Okay, so for paper May June 2024, paper 2H, we have the question here, and the question is from SURDS algebra. This question involves the topic of SURDS algebra because you have to find the value of x in the form of 5 power w, where w is an expression in terms of x. So simplify this, give your answer in the form 5 power w, where w is an expression in terms of x. And then you have law of indices also involved in this question. Let us solve this question. Though it looks complicated, but it is an easy question. So now I'll start with 30 times. Look at this 25. 25 can be written as 5 square. So 5 square whole to the power of 2x plus 7 divided by square root of 180. Now, square root of 180 can be written as square root of how much? 18. 18, can I write it as 36 times? Okay, let me do it. 36 times 5. 5, 6 are 30. 3 carries it. Sorry, 0 carry 3. 5 times 3 is 15, 180. So 36 times 5 I can write. So now root 36 will become root 36 times 5, root 36 into root 5, which is 6 root 5. Right? So root 180 can be written as 6 root 5. I hope the explanation is clear. I have written 180 as 36 times 5, root 36 times root 5, then 6 root 5. So let me erase this root 180 and let me write it as square root of 6 root 5 times now root 5 whole to the power of 4x plus 9. How we will write to simplify? Okay, so then I will keep this root 5 as it is, whole to the power of 4x plus 9 as of now. Now 30 can be written as 5 times 6 times 5. Now this one. This is square and 2x plus 7. So let me recall one law of indices, a power m whole power n, that is a power mn. So I can multiply this 2 with 2x plus 7. So it will be 4x plus 14. Because 2 times 2x is 4x and 2 times 7 is 14, divided by 6 root 5 times root 5 whole to the power of 4x plus 9. Okay. So now this 6 and this 6 gets cancelled. Now, we have 5 times. This 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. I hope everybody knows that if we do root a times root a, it will be a. So I'm going reverse. I'm writing 5 as root 5 into root 5 into this and put it properly for you all. So I'm telling this 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5 times 5 power of 4x plus 14 divided by root 5 times this one remains the same, root 5 whole to the power of 4x plus 9. Now this root 5 get cancelled because I use this concept here. I wrote 5 as root 5. So root 5. See, remember all is in multiplication. That's why I'm cancelling everything. If it is in addition and subtraction, I cannot cancel individual terms like this. That you need to remember. So here, I will continue here. This is equals to root 5 into 5 power 4x plus 14 divided by root 5 to the power of 4x plus 9. Now we know that something that root 5 is 5 to the power of 1 by 2 because this is a square root. I told one of the thing nth root of a is a to the power of 1 by n. So if it is a square root of 5, it is 5 to the power of, because we know by default this is 2 here. So 5 to the power of 1 by 2. So in place of this root 5, I can write 5 to the power of 1 by 2 times 5 to the power of 4x plus 14 divided by root 5 whole to the power of 4x plus 9. Now I can add the fraction. When bases are same, power should be added. So after this, I'm going here and doing some. So 5 power of 4x plus 14 plus 1 by 2. When bases are same here, power should be added. Divided by. Now here also, again, I can write root 5 as 5 to the power of 1 by 2, 4x plus 9. So the next step will be 5 power 4x plus 2 times 14 is 28 plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 5 4x plus 9 divided by 2. Now what we will be doing here is, again here, it will be 5 to the power of 4x plus 29 by, only 29. So it will be 4x plus 29 by 2 divided by 5, 4x plus 9 by 2. Now here I can multiply to bring 2 in whole division. So 5 power 8x plus 29 whole divided by 2 divided by 5 power 4x plus 9 by 2. Then now, because we have the same basis, if I have a power m by a power n, then it is a power m minus n. So the same thing I'm going to apply here, and I'll write 5 power 8x plus 9 by 2 minus 8x plus 29 minus 4x plus 9 by 2. Let me put this in bracket. So 5 power 8x plus 29 is 29 minus 4x minus 9 divided by 2, because this is the like fraction. Now, you know, it will be, this will be, it is here. This all is extra working. You can omit the extra working if you are perfect. And this all I'm doing just to explain, just everybody should understand. 8x minus 4x is 4x. And plus 29 minus 9 will be plus 20 divided by 2. Then 5 power, taking 4 common, it will be x plus 5 in this. 4x and 20 can be written as 4 times 5. So I'm taking 4 common. 4 into x plus 5 divided by 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 2 is 4. So I'm left with 5 power 2x plus 5. So what was the idea behind this simplification is you have to reduce this, you have to simplify this to 5 to the power of w. This w is what? 5 power w. Let me compare this with 5 power w is equals to 5 power 2x plus 5. So w is 2 times x plus 5. Okay. So what all we have done here is we have reduced 30 as 6 times 5. I'm just revising what all we have done. Then we have reduced root 180 to root 36 times 5, that is 6 root 5. Then we have taken the law of indices of a power m whole power n, a power mn. Then we have taken a power m into a power n. When bases are same, power should be added. Then we have taken the concept of nth root a can be written as a to the power of 1 by n. So if it is a square root, this is 2. If there is, like here, if I write x in algebra, it means 1x. Similarly, if I write simply root inserts, that's a square root. If I write root inserts, that's a square root. So if square root of a is there, I can write it as a power 1 by 2. So root 5, I have converted somewhere as 5 to the power of 1 by 2. After that, adding the fractions, taking care of the subtraction sign and all, we get our answer w in terms of x, and 5 power w is equals to 5 power 2x plus 5. Students, there may be, because I am recording this video in a very fast manner to help you people before the exams. So there may be error of some positive and negative signs, which you can take care while solving the problem. If there is an error, like in yesterday's problem, I did minus 360, it should become plus 360 when it comes this side, and there was a mistake in the previous yesterday's video of probability. You can just do that correction and solve the problem. The method remains the same. That's the idea. So I hope this question is clear to everyone. You can post the comment, because now I'm going to allow the comments as well. You can post the comment. I can reply to your comments in the video. Please like, subscribe and share.